Hi, I'm Bo Sebastian, your stress coach. Let's just say I'm also your peace coach because I'm more interested in you having peace of mind than I am about ameliorating your stress or anxiety. So to move forward with understanding how to get to peace, I've been sharing some more spiritual ways of attaining peace. Most people have either heard about or tried to meditate. Unfortunately, most people come to me saying they can't get their minds quiet for not even a minute. I have a story to tell you about meditation. It's not about getting your brain to shut off. Your brain, or mortal mind, is an organ that thinks. That's its job. So when you go into meditation hoping you'll somehow make your brain muscle stop working or weaken, you'll be very disappointed. The mortal mind is connected to your body and your past in such a way that everything you've ever done and felt is stored in this place. So just a scent or the mention of someone's name can start a barrage of thoughts that will be difficult to stop once you start down that path. My idea of meditation is to connect with your observer mind, which is also the seat of your imagination. The observer mind in hypnosis is able to look at or observe your breath, your body, and even listen to your thoughts. The difference is it's not judging or creating new thoughts. It's just listening and waiting. Peace is in the space between the thoughts, in the silence between your breaths. To get to that place for meditation, you have to learn to first silence the body. Make the body feel like it's asleep beneath you. This could take 10 minutes of breath work, chanting a prayer, listening to your breath without controlling it, progressive relaxation, or all of the above. One of the reasons why I wrote Zeroing Out, Stop Stress in 3 Minutes, this book about zeroing out the mind, is to help people meditate as well. This book is not just to help you stop or slow down your stress. It's all about taking the content of the brain and shutting it down. With traditional meditation, you may take from 10 to 15 minutes to quiet the body and then the mind. With zeroing out, I can guarantee you 0 thoughts in 3 minutes.
Life gets hectic, and sometimes I just don't take the time to clear my mind, especially right after work. The zeroing out method helps me to leave my work at work, so I have a clear mind for the people at home I love.
I can't believe how much zeroing out has helped me reduce stress. You've got to try it.
I've been dealing with clutter in my mind for a long time now. Zeroing out, stop stress in 3 minutes, has completely cured me. Now I can meditate, get quiet, and I'm even sleeping better.